In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a PDF from your laptop to your phone using WhatsApp. We'll walk through this in a simple, clear way so you can follow along, even if you're not very tech-savvy. The basic idea is that we'll open WhatsApp on your laptop, send the PDF to yourself or to a chat you choose, and then open that same chat on your phone and download the file there. First, on your laptop, open a web browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, and go to web.whatsapp.com. You should see a large QR code on the screen. Leave that page open for now. Next, pick up your phone and open the WhatsApp app. On most phones, you'll tap the three dots or the menu icon in the top corner. Then look for an option called Linked Devices or something very similar. Tap that, then choose the option to link a device. Your phone's camera will turn on in a special scanning mode. Now, hold your phone up to the QR code on your laptop screen so the code fits inside the square on your phone. After a moment, your WhatsApp account will appear on the laptop. You're now logged into WhatsApp Web, which mirrors your chats from your phone to your computer. On the laptop, choose the chat where you want to send the PDF. This could be a chat with yourself if you like to keep files there, or any contact or group where it's appropriate to send the document. Once you've opened that chat, look for the paperclip icon, usually near the bottom of the chat window. Click it, then choose the document option. A file window will pop up, showing the folders and files on your laptop. Navigate to where your PDF is saved. Click on the PDF file you want to send, and then click Open. WhatsApp will show you a preview with the file name. If everything looks right, click the Send button. The PDF is now sent to that chat through WhatsApp. To get it on your phone, simply open the same chat in the WhatsApp app on your phone. You'll see the PDF message appear there. Tap on the PDF, let it download, and then open it. From here, you can save it to your phone's storage or a cloud app, share it with others, or keep it in WhatsApp for quick access.